My name is Neetu. My daughter's name is Manvi Sharat Chandra. She's going to grade 3 now. I wanted something beyond academics because all the schools more or less are focusing on the academics. But something beyond academics, I wanted my daughter to also have value education where the school also emphasizes on mindfulness and the overall development of a child, if I would have to say, as a school that I was looking for. One is about how she will be confident and how she's going to learn the other aspects like sports and other cultural events. All of that I wanted. She joined here when she was in nursery, and now she's going to grade 3, as I mentioned. From there to here, the journey has been very smooth and it's great, I would say, and it's excellent because as a working parent, I don't give much time for her, like to see on a daily basis how things are working with her. But the teachers are very supportive. One thing I must say that the communication from school is very clear. Anything, all the communications come very much in advance. It's very much useful for a parent like us who are working. So in a last minute, we don't get any information as such. Now that she's going to grade 3, I see she's very independent now. One thing when it comes to homework, she says, "Mama, this is what the teacher has told us. This is what we have to do." And when I say, "No, you have not to," no, no, my teacher has told me this. And the communication is very clear. She's very independent when it comes to doing homework. And even when she was in grade 1, she needed very less interference of the parent. She was doing by her own, and she gets organized. She keeps her things very organized. She carries herself in a confident manner, which I'm quite happy for. I strongly believe that if a foundation is strong, the building is also strong. And if these attributes are given in a very younger age or in the initial years of their academic life, they will have a very bright future or they will have a very higher performance in the later date. Is what I was seeing on an Instagram. They had posted when she was presenting her assembly. No, she had to read the school news in the assembly. So she had been presented very confidently and she did not have much of stage fear. And she was very happy. She came home and she expressed. And when I saw the video, I felt it good. Samhita gives equal opportunity to all the children, sir, as I've seen, because every time it's a rotation that she gets in, whether it could be assembly, whether it could be annual day, everyone gets an equal opportunity here. And secondly, they also give individually attention when it comes to academics also. When some of the students are progressing little lesser than the others, they make sure that the child is given that much attention. They also cater to value education, as I mentioned, mindfulness, and the overall growth of a child can be witnessed at Samhita, including the academic progress. That's one thing. Apart from that, I would say, last but not the least, the child's safety and the hygiene factors are also taken care of, which as a parent I think is very important for my child.